Hi guys, I'm Ken. Today I'm gonna make an airplane that I just discovered and no one has recorded on YouTube yet. So here's an example of it. I made it before. So now I'm gonna teach you how to fold it. First, all you need is an A4 paper, and I like to use my ruler to scratch it so that it's flat. So let's start. First, fold it in half, just like an usual one. You can discover all the complex in airplanes just by following me until a certain step that's not fit when the airplane is not fully created. You can actually observe some airplanes on YouTube, but they're actually really hard and bad. The easiest airplane actually flies pretty far, and the complex ones is literally a bit too heavy. But at least they're good. So now I'm going to use my scissors to scroll it, and now it's like this, just as the usual one. And now you're going to fold from this part all the way up here. Make sure this line goes with this one. Now flatten it out. So now, don't flip yet, still like this. And you go from this side all the way to this side. And same as on this side. And now fold it out. So now it will look like this, or something like that. Make sure this part doesn't go over. And now let's do it on the other side. Okay, now it's like this, and this is hidden. So now, the next step is and these are challenging. First this, it overlaps over this part where it stops this one keep going, and it actually hits it here. It almost hits there, if you're not doing it too properly. And now, you need to kind of squish it like this into particles. And now, this is the hardest part, where you need to make this like this. And I'll fold this over here. Okay, like that. Actually, I'm going to use my ruler. There. Okay. Now make sure that these lines completely matches with these lines. So now we're gonna fold the wings right back here. And also, I forgot to tell you where you get this. Then here up there, you put it on this line. Make sure it's connected. That's where you can discover more and more airplanes. So you can get all the information with just one example that I made. So now we're going to fold it together, even if it's containing this. Now let's fold out the wings. Make sure this line matches off with this line. Of course, we're going to do the wings on both sides. And now it should look something like this, with a little tip here. And now let's test it. First time. That was shocking, from there all the way to there. Second try. Oh! From all the way there. First, as I said, maybe it was because I wasn't pretty ready. I just go here, and then maybe my hand was like this. So maybe there wasn't enough force. Well, I can't have too much force, which is what I done sometimes. So right now it was enough force, and then you have to lift off, or you'll keep stopping it since you're holding it. Don't stop it. And remember, holding the airplane for too much time is stronger than just lifting the airplane, since holding, you can hold it really tight. So now the fourth. Well, I think this is pretty good, this airplane at speed, since it was pretty fast, but not at distance, not the world record. But it actually looks like the world record, although there's just this little pinch here. And now the last row. Well, it seems pretty fast now. And if you do this, well then let's fly it. This is the last row. And now the last one, you can just keep lagging and just do this as hard as you can. So that's what it's good. It's like a multiplicator. You just give 1, it turns into 1. You give 2, it turns into 24. If you give 1,000, it will turn into, it's going to infinity. So let's try this. That throw was incredible. I didn't notice the speeds, and you can actually try more airplanes by going until there was this. So first of all, you fold half here, here, and now fold here again, and here again, and then you fold from this top down to here, remaining the line still the same. So until there, you can keep finding more and more airplanes. I've tested to go back and then here, and then make the wings as much as you can without putting this line over, and the other side too. But it doesn't really work. So wish you to find more. So, and that's it for today's lesson, and bye.
记得点赞关注哦。